Guangzhou QlQ Enterprise Company Limited is located in Huadu District, Guangzhou, China. QlQ is a reliable and professional company which provides an integrated solution to help customers set up zipper and slider factories, from necessary machines to all materials and technical support. QlQ has mold factory. It has a complete process for mold production, providing slider body molds, polar molds, and so on. There are drilling machines, grinding machines, electrical discharge machines, polishing machines, engraving CNC machines, and so on. We would customize the molds according to the customer's demands. Our technicians have experience for over 15 years. The mold's tolerance is within 0.02 millimeter. We test every mold for over 500 times before delivery to customers. Here is our machine showroom for all kinds of zippers. Customers can inspect every zipper machine's working function, speed, and electronic parts quality conveniently when they visit us. Our zipper and slider factory is also open to customers for sending their technicians to our side for learning how to make zippers and sliders. At the moment, QlQ has branch factory in Bangladesh, as well as cooperative agents in some countries. Hand in hand with QlQ on Zipper Business Way. Let's share experience with each other, reduce production cost, and manufacture high-quality zipper and slider together. Welcome to our zipper and slider showroom for choosing some standard or fashionable samples. Please remember QlQ. That is quality and lower cost, and quickly.